flying. What kind of shawarma is it? Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah. The pita.
And I can get some of that stuff on there too, right? Yeah. Alright, yeah. I'm definitely gonna get some of that. Terry.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 2Chomps. There is
2Chomps.
no rules with Eric Roman. Nawf Nawf a dish.
Yo, can we make an episode called Two Chomps?
What?
Can we do one called 2Chomps?
I don't know what he means. With the pita. You know I like that pita? Do I like with the Nawf? Nawf?
Yeah. See, right away.
2Chomps, there's no rules.
Right away, I'm not too thrilled about the pita right off rip on this batch. You know, think about it.
Too thrilled about the pita on this bad little no.
When you make
I'm gonna get with my Nawf. What kind of religion is this again?
it's not really a religion, it's more Mediterranean, it's a regional thing. You get what I'm saying? Like if you're on the Mediterranean Sea. Like a lot of Italian food, it has the same ingredients.
I'm gonna add a little hummus. Hummus. 2Chomps, you know the grip. Ever had Nawf? Nawf. Welcome to Nawf Nawf a dish. We're gonna put some of that.
You missed out
That
on
even
the
sour cream. That's
There's no dairy in here at all.
little. No dairy.
Yeah, this is a completely.
There's a little.
You know.
No dairy. Nawf Nawf.
So those that are lactose intolerant, this would be a great restaurant for you to go to.
I'm gonna chomp with my two.
Whoever would be.
I'm gonna get a 2Chomp.
See, this is how you get it going. You make yourself a little pita thing here.
He made himself a pita sandwich.
Well, that's what.
Have you seen what it now? Hail to the now. Hail to the now. Have you seen me eating pita? Yep. First, let me try without the Nawf.
Yeah.
Two drops, there's no rolls.
You got some hummus mixed in there? You want some hummus on the pork when you're doing it?
I don't know if I like the hum, but I'll dip it in the hum. Just for the 2Chomp. Nawf. Still fucking with the Nawf.
No, that's a new sauce I haven't tried. That's something that's a house sauce here.
We'll try it in the pita, folks.
That's unique to this particular restaurant.
Fill the pita.
I haven't tried that sauce yet. I'm looking forward to
Like
trying
Jim
it.
Crick. 2Chomps, out of 5. Lost my voice.
I know.
Still fucking with it now. Ratings out of 5. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll get my rating first. 2Chomps out of 5. 3.5 stamp of approval. I like the pita better at the Indian place.
Yeah, it's not pita though. It's two different breads. The Indian place is called naan.
Well, I like the naan better at the Indian barbecue place better than the Nawf Nawf pita.
So you should. So it's better to. I still think this is better pita than like an Aladdin's.
Still fucking with it now.
This garlic mayo is not bad.
Garlic mayo's not bad. I'm gonna rate mine 2Chomps. There is no rolls.
Now I will say the stoke, which is what it's called stoke. This green stuff, it's truly authentic. It's truly the true spice.
Still fucking with it now.
I don't think, Mike, you could handle this.
Still fucking with the Nawf now.
You won't be able to.
Still fucking
A
with
drop
it
of
now.
this, you'll go crazy.
Yeah, right. We're gonna see what that
And
Nawf
you'll
is.
like be upset. Okay, you won't be like.
We're gonna see what that Nawf is talking about.
Careful, man.
He's still fucking with the Nawf.
For me, it's delicious. It's a very typical Middle Eastern spice.
Tastes like a salsa, but maybe not be bad on some chips. Still fucking with the Nawf. Sorry about my voice. 2Chomps, there's no rules. My rating will be a we'll give this place a 4. Gets my stamp of approval.
Wow.
It's not bad. I just don't know what goes with what, but I can tell if I knew what I was doing here, it would be much better than even the bowl I even got.
You missed out on getting the cabbage.
Yeah, he tried some other.
You have to understand the cabbage is pickled.
Still fucking with it now.
I don't know if you ever had pickled cabbage. Same way a cucumber changes.
What about you? 2Chomps, there's no rules out of 5.
I give this a 4.3.
4-3.
Because they do it right, man.
It's
They
a
do
very
it right.
nice, very nice and high rating, folks.
This is authentically accurate. Most places in America you go that have this style won't make a spice. That's how you can judge the authenticity. Making the spice the way they make it back home, if they make it for American level people. Dumb it down a little bit, a little cheaper. These guys don't do that. They keep it real.
It's like, is this Indian food?
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean version of Chipotle. Not a bad run. I gave it a 4. Probably could even be better in a certain situation. His was a 4-3. Right here in the beautiful Valley View, Ohio. Shout out to Nawf Nawf. Still fucking with the Nawf.
What do you say while we're out here? We be the new one and see how they're doing at the old stomping ground.
I don't want to go there. I bring back too many harsh
They
memories.
like when the alumni stop in. Maybe we can give a class.
The alumni. Still fucking with the Nawf.
When everybody was like, "Hey, would you mind talking to one of our classes today?" It's like if it was about an episode.
They would never buy it.
Who knows?
Ladies and gentlemen, this has been 2Chomps. Nawf Nawf a dish. Alright, we're clear.